Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can back up your seed phrase in OKX. In order to do so, here we are in OKX for iOS. And what we're looking for can be found up at the top left-hand corner. You'll see these dots that are shaped like a square. We're going to click on that, and that's going to bring us here to our settings. And what we're looking for here is up where it says wallet security and backups. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can see here we have our wallet. We're going to go ahead and select that. And that's going to bring us to this page here where you can see that you can have the option to view the seed phrase. We're going to go ahead and click on seed phrase. And here you're going to have to go through a couple of questions. So here you can see, make sure your screen is only visible to you. It's fine. We're going to go ahead and click I understand. Here, you're going to see stored your seed phrases offline. Don't share your seed phrases with anyone or save the screenshots of them in the cloud as they can be easily compromised. I understand. Then from here, it says own the seed phrase, own the wallet, backup seed phrase down here at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we need to log in. And now we can tap the screen to show the seed phrase, which I'm not going to do. So that way I'm not exposing the seed phrase. But if you follow this process, then you can tap to show the seed phrase. And from there, you can save the seed phrase in a secure place. Again, do not share your seed phrase with anyone else because this will expose your wallet. But this is the process that you're going to go through in order to back up your seed phrase. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.